too fast. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa, Max, Ben's friend. Clunk, Grandpa's robot. Flip, a boy in the park. Now let's read this story. Too fast. Watch this, says Ben. He rides his skateboard and Max watches. The two boys are in the park. Ride your skateboard too, Max, says Ben. But Max says, I'm not very good at skateboarding. Don't go too fast, says Ben to his friend. Okay, says Max, and he rides his skateboard. How's this? He asks. Great, says Ben. But a tall boy is laughing at Max. Who's that? Max asks Ben. His name is Flip, says Ben. He's great at skateboarding, but some boys are scared of him. Flip rides his skateboard fast. Can you do this? Asks Flip. Max wants to go fast too. You're going too fast, Max, says Ben. Stop. But Max can't stop the skateboard. He falls and hits his leg. Max, are you okay? Asks Ben. Rosie and Grandpa are in the park too. Rosie is learning to roller skate. She sees Max. Grandpa, look, she says. Quick, Clunk, says Grandpa. Please go and help Max. You can ride this. It's my new skateboard. There's an engine on Grandpa's new skateboard, so the wheels go very fast. Soon, Clank is with Max. He looks at Max's leg. Can you stand up? Asks Clunk. Yes, says Max. Flip picks up Grandpa's skateboard. He looks at the wheels and the little engine. This skateboard is fantastic, he says. How fast can it go? I don't know, says Ben. My grandpa makes lots of great new toys. Flip puts one foot on the skateboard. I want to ride it, he says. Is that okay? No, says Ben. Please go and ask my grandpa. But Flip starts the skateboard with his foot. Stop! Shouts Clunk. Flip is going fast. I love this, shouts Flip. It's great. He is happy. There are two children on bikes on the path. They see Flip on the skateboard. Don't hit us, shouts one of the children. Flip wants to stop the skateboard, but he can't. The skateboard is going very fast, and Flip isn't happy now. He's scared. He's coming close to Rosie and Grandpa. Jump, Grandpa! Shouts Rosie. Rosie and Grandpa jump from the path to the grass. There's a blue button on the skateboard, Grandpa shouts. Hit it with your foot. But Flip can't hear Grandpa. He's going in a big circle now. Ben and Max are watching Flip too. Oh no, says Ben. The skateboard's taking Flip to the park gates. But there's a big road with lots of cars there, says Max. Help! Shouts Flip. Max runs to his skateboard and jumps on it. He goes very fast down one ramp, and then up again. Then he jumps up with his skateboard. Max jumps at Flip and pushes him. Now, Grandpa's skateboard isn't going to the park gates. It's going to the pond. Splash! Flip hits the water. Max pulls the tall boy up from the pond. Flip is wet, but he's okay. Thank you, he says. Grandpa and Rosie come to the pond too. Is your skateboard okay? Flip asks Grandpa. Yes, says Grandpa. But don't take it again. It isn't your skateboard. I'm sorry, says Flip. He looks at Max. I want to learn that jump. Can you help me? Max is happy. Okay, he says.